Hey, what's up Bitcoin holders? Welcome to another brand video. This time guys, we will look like my brother. This time look like clearly my friends breakdown. If we look here my brother, so that's why my friend people are understand that BTC is going to a big crash my brother. But I was tell you my brothers to where is more chances to BTC crash, and after that what will happen, pump or crash more. So let's get started this video. If you want future trading signal, join my Telegram group guys, link is in the description. You will be get unlimited signal free of cost from my Telegram. First of all my brother, if we look out this time Bitcoin conditions, so look like a small breakdown, like simply this was already do, it is just going to repeat. Now you can see here, so right now is also my friends they do same like that. Okay, so of course we will expect that it will crash, and after that a huge pump was be expected. But of course if we see my friends breakdown, then definitely my friends I think my friends we will be see a huge crash. Okay guys, so we are going my brothers to move 4 hour candle chart. Definitely my friends you will be clearly understand to where is really BTC going up. So here if we look my brothers, so many time it will do like this. You can see here if we look out just and only my friend this time the my friends trend, so you can see here. Okay, so this is the zone. So here if, of course my brother, it will crash down to this zone so many time and it will be returned from this position. So this time also it was in a clear dip. Now my brother, clean dip, and of course if you buy it in right now, of course you will be win and you will be get a crazy profit. Okay guys, so hold, and my brother if you are already on long side, this is good choice. Now my brother, if it will crash just and only it will reach out 29,600, so do a DCA and recover it and get a crazy profit again from Bitcoin. Thanks for watching everybody. Please join my Telegram group, and absolutely if you want a fast and urgent and quick fast profitable signal. See you next time.